Hi, this is Mike from TV. I just got done a 4-mile run, and the last few runs I've been able to knock off 30 to 40 seconds per mile over a 3 to 4 mile run, which is unheard of. I've been running a lot for the last year, and I'm only able to move at maybe like 10 seconds in either direction over a 3-mile run for like the last year. So this was like overnight. I want to show you exactly what happened and how I was able to knock off like 30 to 40 seconds over a 4-mile run. So all right, let's jump into the phone. I brought receipts, okay? So you can see in 2024, it's November of 2024. So this year so far, I've run 202 miles. My average pace is 9 minutes and 13 seconds per mile, okay? So that's over 200 miles. Now, let's just look at the last week, okay? So today I just got done running, and you're gonna see my pace there over 4.25 miles is 8.19. So 8 minutes and 19 seconds. So off my average, that's like almost a minute faster, which is kind of crazy. If you look at my Monday run, which was just a few days ago, it's 8:24. Now, these two numbers over 3 miles, even a mile, are really unheard of. And it just literally happened overnight. Because let me show you the run just like a week ago. So 3 miles, 9 minutes. It's the same exact run, 9:12. So this is the same exact run, 4.28 miles, average pace 9:12. And look at today, it's just a week or so later, 8:19. So that's literally almost a minute knocked off. So I know I'm saying 30 to 40 seconds per mile average. It's really like a minute, which is crazy. And let's just go through. So 9-minute mile, 9 minute, 9.22. 8.55, okay, that's pretty good. 9:05, 9:03, 9:99. So you can see nines all the way down. Just like, let's just keep going. Nines. The thing that changed overnight was I got new shoes. This is not a sponsored video. I bought these. I have no affiliation with Brooks. I bought these Glycerin 21s, okay? Went through a running store. They have this like nitrogen in here, and my previous running shoes were the Brooks Ghosts. These are the Ghost, I think like 16. You can see these things were whipped. The running shoes I had between these two were the Pegasus. So these are my running shoes for the last like couple years. You see they're pretty beat up. Around around the summertime, I started having some pain. So I was like, okay, and obviously these are whipped. I jumped up to the Pegasus. I used these for about a month and had bad foot pain, bad plantar fasciitis, and I just couldn't use these anymore. So these went away around the September timeframe. I went back to these shoes, all the pain went away, and I was good. About mid-October, end of October, I started having hip pain and knee pain again. And I said, all right, it's time to retire these shoes. Went to the running store with those shoes, and they went, wow, these are bad. I tried on the new Ghosts, and then I tried the Glycerins. I really like the Glycerins. They were definitely higher. I'm not a fan of the way they look, but honestly, they're for running. It's for health reasons and just to stay fit. I don't like that the sole is this tall, but when you put them on, they're kind of bouncy. So I think that's what it is. I literally just have like a cheat code here. It's the shoe, I think, just has like extra bounce. So it's basically propelling you forward as you run. Now, am I getting a better workout? Probably not. But I think maybe this is good. This obviously will help my joints and things like that. Is it sort of like a kind of a cheat, because you're basically running with like maybe faster shoes that are kind of have more spring? Yeah, it's a little bit of a cheat. But it's cool. It's neat to be able to see the number go down, especially when you've been working at it for years, and you try to make yourself go faster by running up hills, and then you go do a long distance run, and it's the same pace. And, I just wanted to let you know, about these Brooks. If you're a runner, if you have these shoes, please leave me a comment down below. Do you like the Glycerins? I'm only two runs in, about, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 miles in. So, but I've been pretty happy with them. I wish they would, listen, Brooks, the other thing too, they make, if they're probably not watching, but if they were to see this, I have wide feet, so I have to buy the wide shoes. I don't know why in your wide shoes you don't offer like any colors. You only offer 2 colors, and they're usually the same. Like they're like either white and gray, or they're black and gray. Like they're same. Like offer a really, really light color and a really, really dark color if you're only gonna offer 2 colors in the wides, you know? So I had to get stuck with this, and this is a guy's shoe. It's like light blue. Like, come on. You know, I know, you see, I like to have really loud shoes when I'm running for obvious reasons. It's so people see me and they don't hit me, because I like to run on the asphalt. I don't, you know, I do run through the woods and stuff like that, but you know, that's why I got these. They're bright, they're brightest, they're white. I don't love the way they look. They don't look terrible. But yeah, basically my reason why I was able to knock off 30 seconds, you're almost seeing actually a minute per mile. It's these shoes, they're the cheat. So get out there and run. I'm Mike, Found Media TV, and I am Glycerin Brooks out. Please consider subscribing as well to see the other DIY content that was shared on the channel. I'd really appreciate that. And I'm Glycerin out again.